Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. So I'm going to start this day by playing some Warcraft 3 because Trent just asked me if I want to play. And so instead of editing, I'm going to go play because it's one of my last days here. It's so much fun. It reminds me of when I was like 10 and I am obsessed. I can't wait for it to officially come out and to start team playing and going up in the ranks and like owning it. Also, guys, look for real how clear my skin has been. This is a miracle. Yeah! Well, I'm excited. So dumb. You just look away every time. Alright guys, so it's been very fun. Tevin found mold in his bedroom, so my dad and brothers are trying to excavate the mold.
Trying to get the mold up. Attack for
Fun stuff. And we are currently headed to urgent care because I've had a consistent cough for the last week. So it's just very eventful.
Super fun, so fun.
But even though I've been sick, Quibus has still been kissing me and he hasn't gotten sick.
Because I've got the immune system of a Serbian antelope. The Serbian antelope, they don't get sick.
We found Mr. and Mrs. Claus. About to go run some errands.
That's not a sled though.
No, maybe he's upgraded.
Maybe he has.
To Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Say hello. Bye bye.
Where's that little knife?
So the cooler was full of water. Like, just in the last couple hours.
What's going on?
Kevin's gonna leave. But this carpet is soaking wet. It's just...
You're gonna have to like empty that every few hours. Yeah. Are you gonna pump? And it kicks on automatically. I'm gonna try to do that with that.
We're just having all sorts of fun here in the Howard house.
Babe, are you okay?
No.
He's coughing like crazy.
Ever since like 2 hours ago, it won't stop. Oh, update. At the doctor's I
it
got...
smells like really like musty.
I got antibiotics, so I'll be on that for 5 days. So, alright guys, good night. I will see you tomorrow.